Hey guys, Dwayne here. I went for a long bike ride on Sunday and I found a couple of cool things I want to share with you. First is this little bag of nuts and washers. Pretty cool. I know it's not worth much, but I save stuff like this because one day I'm gonna need it. Alright. The second thing is really cool. This is actually the best find so far this year. How about that? It is a Kershaw. The Kershaw Clash. Spring assisted, 3-inch blade. Pretty cool, right? This has been well used. Pocket clip is all scraped up. The knife has scrapes and scratches. It actually has a little bit of mud inside. So I think this was somebody's fishing knife. I found it on a bridge, okay, near where people fish a lot. And yeah, so it's kind of dull and kind of dirty, but the biggest problem is the tip is slightly bent, and bending it back is probably going to snap it off. But it can be reprofiled. It can be fixed. Anyway, very cool find. And here's the fun part. I don't really want this knife, so I'm going to give it to one of you. Okay? We're going to have a little giveaway. And instead of just doing a random drawing, I'm going to ask you guys to leave a comment below and tell me how you lost this knife. How did this knife come to be laying on that bridge on Sunday? Okay? It can be one sentence or a couple of paragraphs, whatever. And it needs to be entertaining. Okay? It doesn't need to be true, obviously, but make it entertaining. Okay? In 3 or 4 days, I will pick a winner, and the liner sticks a little bit, but it just needs to be cleaned and oiled. Anyway, I will pick a winner in 3 to 4 days, and the winner will receive this knife and a couple little surprises. Okay, I will pay the shipping. So there you go. Coronavirus Kershaw giveaway. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.